Christian Eckes with a little bit of a push to the back of Corey Hine.
What about William Swalich up there in the top 3?
Quick caution, yellow is out.
Oh no, Brad Perez in that 30 truck.
Greg Van Alst, the 20 truck for Tyler Young.
That's pretty good contact for both those trucks.
And we already saw one of Tyler's trucks get a lot of damage with Josh Bilicki losing a right front tire. He's out of the race, and when the window net comes down for Greg Van Alst, he's going to be out as well. And I'm sure same situation for Brad Perez.
You can see Brad's got all 4 corners of that 30 truck torn up.
Early caution stage 1. Early caution in our second stage as well. AMR safety team is there checking things out on the 30 and 20 trucks. Let's go back to the restart, see what happened.
Oh, something went wrong with the
Van
20.
Alst. Did he bounce off the inside wall possibly?
I don't know. It looked like maybe could the throttle have hung for a bit?
He shot across the racetrack. Maybe he bounced, misjudged it, bounced off the inside wall, or possibly forced into the inside wall, and it careened him out towards the outside of the racetrack.
Nothing Brad could have done there.
There's Greg Van Alst, our Daytona winner from earlier this year in the ARCA Menard Series. Amanda.
That's exactly what Brad Perez asked his crew chief what happened there. They reported that they think that Greg may have blown a tire and just kind of took him out. It's kind of a bummer for Brad. It's only his second ever start on an oval. I talked to him prior to the race. He's been spending a lot of time with Rajah Caruth. They've been trading information back and forth. Brad Perez, by trade, is a sports car driver, so he's been helping Rajah on the road courses. But looking to gain some knowledge here on the ovals will be a bummer for Brad Perez.
Seen Brad racing a little bit this year in the Xfinity Series as well. Third caution comes out. Restart stage 2.